I'm Brant Brummett. Was in the Branco Apprenticeship program through Crowder College. If you get selected to be in the program, it has 8 levels of achievement, and you finish as a carpenter journeyman. The thing I liked most about being in the apprenticeship program was that you have any opportunity to work any of the skills that you're interested in. The hours put into the program also count for college credit, so it's given me opportunity to, have my foot in the door of pursuing any of the opportunities or dreams or goals that I wanted. The program itself has changed my life by teaching me leadership skills. I've learned skills that I might not have been able to learn. I'm not going to pass up a good opportunity to be better and better myself.
The best part of this program is the knowledge from the teacher. Having that experience and knowledge just right there in the classroom is excellent. I love it. It's very challenging, very informational, and it applies to everything that we do every day. The major opportunity that has arisen for me is that I have moved from an apprentice now to a foreman. As being in this trade, you should, want to be the best at it. So right now it's journeyman, next up, master electrician.
Just listening to all the foremen and all the knowledge that they have, I want to be like them and excel to more. Didn't think of myself being an electrician, but because this is where I am, this is what I know. It's more of like how you brand yourself, and I wanted to make my name and what I do and the work that I do mean more to those that pay me. If you know a trade, you can work wherever and anywhere you want. So if you want to have that flexibility to go anywhere you want and have a job, then I definitely encourage you to do something like this. They've made it very easy and accessible to come to school. So I definitely love the fact that they've made this so great for all of us. I think it's all about what you want to do. We're in our comfort zone. So you push out of that, and I mean, the options are limitless, so you don't want to be just ordinary. I think that we need to strive to be extraordinary.